My name's Dusty Pinkard, owner of Milling Machinery Incorporated in Mesa, Arizona. We do a lot of different fabrication in industrial, commercial, and a lot in the manufacturing industry. Also the video board for many stadiums, some in Arizona, California, and we've been as far as the Miami Dolphins Stadium. My desire here at Milling Machinery is to increase growth and production and to make a better place for people to work, have some processing capabilities that would help us be competitive in the marketplace. Having the Voortman equipment, especially the 808, has helped us reduce our shop hours per ton by at least 15 to 20%. The Voortman promise was that you would have a return on the equipment, and we have seen a return on the equipment. With the 808 machine, we're using its capabilities to process all our structural beams, tubes, channels. The machine is coping, placing holes, bevels, and marking on the beams and those locations for stringers and for connection plates, which is very useful.
We have 14 beams over there with cope and holes. Almost more than 10-hour job for the shop, and we finish that one by half hour with beam profile. We use our beam profile to make a miter and rat holes for CGP welds. Better quality, we have a better and minimize our welder process.
On top of the beams of the 808 processing, which has been a huge help for us and a huge man-hour savings, especially on tube bracing where the tubes are coped or have slots and holes.
We had a job with tube 8 by 8 by 7 feet, and we had a slot both sides and through holes. We make that one at the shop more than 6 to 7 hours, and then we have over there by 10 minutes finish and better quality.
I knew that by adding that machine, we wouldn't be able to keep up with the plate processing, so I had looked into the Voortman, the 310, complemented the 808 very nicely to be able to feed that machine.
We need to have the 310 burn table because definitely we have a bottleneck at the shop. We don't have a finished process on the burn table. Because we have a beam profile, we cannot count the other vendors to supply our parts. Definitely they give it to you 1 week, 2 days, 3 days, and then you cannot finish your job.
So far the machine has been great, and it's really helped us to stay ahead with plate processing. We would have never been able to keep up with what we had by just adding the 808.
For some job we cannot burn the holes, just we need a drilling. With our 310 burn table, we can drill the holes, bevel, plasma, and oxy torch, and finish process one location and minimize the handling.
Some of our main fitters and welders in the shop were afraid of potential that the machinery would replace some of their jobs. As I knew, and as they can see, that it's only increased our production, it's only made them busier.
Right now I have a day shift, second shift, almost 20 people more than before at the feeder welder side because we have a beam profile.
We've been able to take on more jobs than we ever could have, and some jobs we couldn't have been able to do without having the equipment. We just would not have had the time.